Welcome to the unboxing video for my Inergy Kodiak Solar Generator. Pretty excited about this one. I'm a big backyard theater enthusiast as well as a camper. My folks told me about this one and really excited about all the potential for it. So went out and ordered my own. At the end I'll be able to tell you how you can get some money off if you choose to order your own. But really excited about this and I think you'll be excited too. As you can see there, well packed, covered in plastic, so even if it gets exposed to the elements, it's going to be good to go. Now I ordered a variety of other accessories with mine that we'll talk about as we unbox this, and I'm hoping to get this all done in under 3 minutes so you can get on with your life. And what you see here is our high-speed charger. So the standard charger that comes with it charges the generator in about 12 hours. This one is supposed to do it in about 6. I have had an opportunity to test it out since then, and it does seem pretty accurate that it does it in 6. And it plugs into the generator with that blue knob, which is a little bit different, and plugs into a standard 120 volt wall outlet. As we dig into it a little bit more, you see there's my 12 volt charger. I got that so that if I'm on my way camping or on my way to the show site where I'll do my backyard theater, I can actually charge the battery in my truck. And here are your standard accessories. You can see you have an instruction manual, which you would expect, and it'll give you all the down and dirty to get you started on it pretty quick. It actually comes with the shoulder strap as well. That's what that is, which makes it a little bit easier to carry. And then again, another standard 120 wall plug, except this time this is the standard charger, which again charges the battery in about 12 hours. Now what you'll see is you look at that and you compare it to the high-speed charger. There's a pretty big size difference there. So the standard charger is a lot smaller, but it's also a lot lighter. So if space and weight are a premium, you might actually want to stick with the standard charger. But if time is what you're going after, go ahead and upgrade and get the high-speed charger. Again, the unit's packaged real well in there, and the first thing you'll notice is it's heavy duty, it's well constructed, but I'm lifting it with one hand because it's only about 20 pounds, so very portable compared to other options. And it's not very big, it's about 15 by 16 by 8 inches, and it comes with 4 USB, 2 12 volt, 6 120 volt, and 130 amp service outlets, so a lot of options there. If you'd like one of your own, look in the description below for a link and coupon code.